welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd share us trying to get the garden tilled up good. I would love to go to my back to Eden garden one day, but I don't know when that'll be. So right now we do what we can, and got my youngest son Joshua. He is tilling up some rows in between the vegetables that are coming up. We are going to have 4 days worth of rain, so we're trying to get out here and make sure that the grass isn't going to just take off with us. I have used some 7 dust in this garden. I hope you didn't get too close to my field peas. Oh, you're doing good. That's my youngest son. Oh, doing a good job. And my husband's in the front yard mowing. So we're trying to get things fixed before the rain starts. And I am hoeing weeds, people. Hoeing. Anyway. Are you finished? Oh yeah, you gotta do this row. Just don't get this squash right here. That's the only one that come up for me. So I've replanted okra. Don't get on my honey. Honey!
I got it, don't worry.
Yeah, but that's my okra you're too close to. Sorry, y'all. That's my okra. You know, you should have just wheeled it around. Or you could have started at that end.
Captain.
Aye, Captain. Yeah. Miss my, pardon me, squash plant, please. My lone squash.
She's the backseat driver in the works.
Me?
Yeah. Ain't no other ladies down here.
Hey, I'm the one in charge too. I'm mistress of this house.
That's what she said.
So he's gonna skip this, hopefully. He won't get my squash plant that I started from seed. And get this row, because nothing came up or it washed away. I've replanted okra. It was sparse. So, anyway, I won't keep y'all with this loud noise. Just thought I'd share. Y'all have a good day. Bye. Y'all come